What's up guys, Syntaxer here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fume extractor. Okay, so if you don't know what a fume extractor is, it's basically something that takes the smoke from your soldering iron. It's super useful because the smoke is actually one of the main reasons that many people don't get a soldering iron, as it could be very harmful for your health. So as you can see, if once I switch this on, this is really nice because now I don't have to worry about any of the smoke getting on my hands or my face. See, it's just taking it right in. See, it's working with all the fans. And I'm just gonna wipe now. Show it again. And on the back of this fume extractor, I have a charcoal filter, so all the air gets filtered as it comes out, which is super nice. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so to start off this build, we're going to need 4 PC fans. Make sure to get ones with 2 wires on the end. I'll leave a link in the description with the ones I got. Glue each fan together with some hot glue. After you've done that, come back and we'll move on to the next step. Now that you've glued all your fans together, now's the time you're basically just going to join all the wires. You're going to twist the red wires together and you're going to twist all the black wires together. Once you've done that, you can solder them together and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now that you've joined all your wires together, all you're gonna do is you're going to take one of these adapters for like 12-volt power supply, and you're going to attach that. You're going to take the red switch, you're going to attach it to the red wires. You're going to take the black switch and put it on one end of a terminal of a switch, and the other side and the other wire of this 12-volt power supply is going to go straight to the switch. So if you plug everything up, it should start working. The reason I'm not quite exactly where you left off is because I just had to test everything to make sure it worked. It's always a good idea to make sure that everything works before you attach everything, because it's a lot harder to undo solder. Like you're gonna have a hard time undoing that. And yeah, so that's why I just quickly wanted to test it. But yeah, I'll quickly show you what I did, everything at the end. Alright, so here's how you install the carbon filter. Basically, you have to cut it to size. It makes a big mess, so make sure you have a vacuum around. It makes like a very fine powder. But you're basically just going to take this. You can hot glue it around the edges, right, just like that. And don't worry if it doesn't sit like perfectly. Like, you've got a lot of wires, so I mean it's not going to sit completely flush. But it'll be better than having nothing. So yeah, you just want to glue that in place, and then I'll show you what it looks like after it's all done. Okay, so I have the fans on, they're all running, and I have my soldering iron. Let's just see how well it can suck in solder. Oh yeah, it's just sucking it in like no problem. And I also have the filter on the back. Yeah, so there's still smoke coming out of it, and there's smoke coming out, but you can barely see it because it's being sucked in so well. And then, yeah, it's also filtering the air from the other side, so that's really nice. So this project works really well. And the best part is you can easily just switch it off with this on and off switch. And now you leave it plugged in over here with the 12-volt power supply. This thing just comes out just like that. So you're supposed to leave this plugged into your wall. But yeah, I actually had a lot of fun making this project. Here's the back with the carbon filter if you're curious what it looks like. I'll have a link to all the parts in the description. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you can. Bye, see you guys next time.